Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete course. In our last class, we went through all the modules of this course. So, I hope by now you have a clear understanding of what this course is all about. In today's class, we are going to talk about affiliate marketing. That means I will explain in simple terms what affiliate marketing actually is, how it works, who is involved, and what the future of this industry looks like. Now, who is this class for? This class is mainly designed for those who want to learn everything step by step from the very basics of affiliate marketing. Some of you might already know a little about affiliate marketing. Even if you do, I am confident you will still pick up some very important new insights from this class. So, without further delay, let's get started. First, let's understand what is affiliate marketing actually. Affiliate marketing is an online business model where you can earn commission by selling someone else's product or service. Let me give you an example. Suppose I sell laptops online. This is my online business and I have invested a significant amount of money into it. I also have some permanent marketers in my company and I pay them a fixed salary at the end of each month. Now, the problem is if they fail to meet their sales targets, I still have to pay their salary at the end of the month. Because of this, I decided instead of permanent staff, I will hire marketers based on commission, which means if someone sells my product, they will get a 10% commission. But if they don't make a sale, they will not earn any commission. After that, I posted an announcement about the commission system on my website along with some requirements, such as which methods are allowed to promote the product and which methods are not allowed for promotion. Now, imagine you want to start an online business just like me, but right now you don't have enough money to invest. Then you read my announcement and noticed all the skills mentioned there you already have. So you contacted me and said, I want to promote your product. I was happy because I was looking for a digital marketing expert just like you. After that, I approved you through my website and gave you a special link for the product. From now on, you start promoting the product using that link, sales start coming in and you earn a commissions. The main point here, you don't have your own product. You are promoting some else's product and earning a commission from every sale. This whole system is called affiliate marketing. I hope this clears concept completely. Now, let's dive a little deeper. I will explain the entire process to you through a flowchart. Here is our flowchart. As you can see, there are four main parts directly involved in affiliate marketing: merchant or product owner, network, affiliate marketer, and customer. Apart from this, there are many other aspects that we will discuss gradually in the upcoming classes. But in today's flowchart, I have highlighted two very important elements like promotion and commission. Now, who are merchants or product owners? Simply put, merchants or product owners are the actual owners of a product or service. In the example I gave earlier, I was the product owner or merchant. A merchant can be an individual person, a small team, or even a small or big company. There are countless merchants around the worldwide who are connected to the affiliate system. And every day, new merchants are joining in the marketplace. So now you have a clear idea about what a merchant is. Now, who are affiliate marketers? Affiliate marketers are people who don't have their own product but promote someone else's product and earn a commission from each sale. In our earlier example, I was the merchant or product owner, and when you promoted my product and made a sale, you became the affiliate marketer. It's hard to say exactly how many affiliate marketers are working worldwide because new people are joining this industry every single day. According to a 2025 report from Hoblog, here's an estimate of affiliate marketers in five of the most popular networks. Amazon associates around zero point 0.9 million marketers. ShareSell around zero point 0.7 million marketers. Awin around 0.2 to 5 million marketers. Rakuten around 0.15 million marketers. and ClickBank around 0.1 million marketers. And there are many more affiliate websites where new marketers are joining daily. This clearly shows that affiliate marketing is a huge industry with plenty of opportunities for everyone. Now, what is affiliate networks? No matter how many merchants or product owners there are in the world, affiliate marketing is usually managed in two ways: individual method and network method. What is individual method? Some product owners or companies manage their own affiliate system themselves. This is called the individual method. What is the network method? The network method is a process where the merchant doesn't run the affiliate program themselves. Instead, they use a third-party affiliate network to manage everything. Some examples of popular affiliate networks are Amazon, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and Impact. In this method, the merchant lists their products on the affiliate networks platform. Then, thousands of affiliate marketers can promote those products. In other words, an affiliate network is not just a platform, it's a bridge that connects merchants and affiliate marketers. What does an affiliate network do? An affiliate network manages the entire process of both merchants and affiliates. They handle creating affiliate links, tracking clicks and sales, managing payments and commission distribution, and detecting fraud and suspicious activity. What is affiliate link? An affiliate link is a unique tracking link. When you open an account on an affiliate network, you will receive an affiliate ID. And when you choose a product to promote, this product's main link will be combined with your affiliate ID to create a unique link. This new link is called your affiliate link. If someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys the product, the sale will be tracked and you will receive your commission. Here, what benefits of using an affiliate network? Affiliate networks take care of all the technical work for you. In return, they keep a small percentage from each product sale as their fee. That is how they make money. Now, who are customers? Customers are simply the people who buy your product. In your affiliate marketing journey, you will face different types of customers. Number one, immediate buyer or serious problem solver. These are people with a very urgent problem. They want a quick solution, and if your product solves their problem, they will buy it immediately. You don't need to convince them too much. Number two, delayed buyer. Need but waiting. These buyers know they need your product, but they might not have cash at the moment. Or they may want to discuss the decision with a business partner first. So they take some time before purchasing. Number three, research oriented buyer. Comparison minded. These customers compare your product with others in the market. They look at features, price, or reviews before making a decision. That's why you must clearly highlight your product USP and build trust with them. Here, USP means unique selling point. Number four, doubtful buyer or need more convincing. These buyers are somewhat interested but still not fully sure. So, you need to convince them by showing free trials, demos, and customer reviews. Your goal is to build their confidence that your product really works. Number five, future buyer or not urgent now. These people don't need your product right now, but they may need it in the future. So they might bookmark your content or sign up for your email list to check back later. Now comes to the product promotion methods. You can promote your product in two main ways. Number one, free promotion using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, Reddit, and Quora. Number two, paid promotion using ads like Google Ads and Meta Ads. However, no matter how you promote, you should obey traffic restrictions. What is traffic restrictions? Every affiliate network or merchant sets certain rules for promotion. These are called traffic restrictions. The goal is to protect their brand image and ensure quality traffic. You must follow these rules carefully when promoting. Now, let's move on to the understanding commission in affiliate marketing. Commission is the real earning in affiliate marketing. This means if someone click in your affiliate link and buys the product, you earn a commission. But remember, if the customer does not buy the product, you do not get paid. This system is called PPS, that means pay per sale. But there is another problem involved here, that is a refund policy and pending commission. Many products come with a refund policy. For example, a product might have a 30-day refund policy. That means the customer can return it within 30 days. So your commission stays pending until this refund policy ends. Once the refund window is over, your commission becomes confirmed and is added to your account. Again, some affiliate networks or companies put a limit on commission. For example, if a store has multiple products in the same category and a single customer buys many of them at once, you might get a maximum of $10 commission. But some networks have no limit. In those networks, the more you sell, the more you earn without restrictions. Now, how you get paid? Most affiliate networks pay you after a fixed period. For example, Amazon pays you every 60 days. They usually offer several payment options like direct bank deposit, Amazon gift card, and physical check. Also, Amazon pays you only if your minimum commission balance reaches $10. I hope you have understood everything we discussed so far. Still, let's go through a quick overview so the whole process becomes even clearer. Take a look at this flowchart. First, the merchant goes to a network and lists their product with all the necessary information. Then, the network accepts the product, sets up the tracking system, and generates affiliate links. Then, the affiliate marketers join the network, create a free affiliate account, and collect their affiliate links. After that, the affiliate marketers promotes the product following the traffic rules and always using their affiliate link. Finally, when someone clicks the affiliate link and make a purchase, the network tracks that sale and adds the commission directly to the affiliate marketer's account. I hope this flowchart makes the entire process much clearer for you. Now, types of products in affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, there are mainly two types of products, physical product and digital product. As a new affiliate marketer, which type of product you should choose will be discussed in the next class. That class will be very interesting and practical. In November 2024, Authority Hacker released a report. It shows that the global affiliate market industry is worth over $17 billion. By 2027, it could reach around $27.78 billion. The United States is the largest affiliate marketing market. The US accounts for about 39% of the global affiliate market. Around 16% of all online orders in the US comes through affiliate market. Now comes to the affiliate marketing salary. It's also important to know what an affiliate marketer can earn. We can check this live to see real world examples. Checking affiliate marketing salary in the USA. First, go to Google and search affiliate marketer salary in America by talent.com. Click on the talent.com website that appears. Inside the site, you will see search jobs, search salary, and text calculator. We go to search salary. Type affiliate marketing in the job field. Type United States in the location field. Click find salary. Scroll down a little. You will see salary data for annual, monthly, weekly, daily, and hourly. This means we can check salaries in any of these formats, such as monthly salary. For example, in California, the average monthly salary of an affiliate marketer is around $8,514. This number is based on 44,758 salaries. This is only an approximate figure, not exact. Scroll down further or click show more to see salaries from other states and locations. From this data, you can see that affiliate marketing has a promising future. I believe choosing affiliate marketing as a career is a smart decision. In the next class, we will discuss the different types of products in affiliate marketing, their pros and cons, and which products a new affiliate marketer should start with. To learn the complete secret strategy of affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.